I'm dressed up. That's what I'm saying. I can go. If I'm not dressed up, then I say no, I'm not coming out because I was not supposed to come out today. I don't want to because everybody went downstairs now. They have like 20 kids. 20 kids. As soon as they see me,
they
yeah,
have
they want same like in your area, Malabon. So as soon as they see me, so I was busy at that. I said not right now because I know this kid. I said not right now. And now I come. So there's like 8 kids and they're calling each other. So I said you're calling each other. I'm only gonna give you a few points. That's it. They say, oh, buy us food. That bakery. I said not right now. I'm busy. So answer me so I can go and buy or whatever you want to do.
Lalabas kayo na ba?
You can discuss with your husband.
Sige, habang-habang ini. Gusto mo sini? Habang-habang. Ano?
Sige yan.
Yeah, but that's not enough for them.
He said it comes. I think
So good like that.
the fish nga is two people gonna eat in one fish.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right. No, one fish, everybody, they invite foreigners and they say, eat this, finish it. One fish for foreigners.
Kasi sa kan mo ko ano yan sa kuwan no?
Kanon. Wala, mabinito din namin ng anak ko na bisa na yan.
So how many rice should I Joy, how many rice should I buy for you guys?
Maybe 3.
Okay. And like I said, this is not dinner. Later on, you're going to eat, so don't fill up yourself.
Yeah.
So I'm just going to buy 3 rice, that's it.
Yeah, that's it.
So you sure this is okay, whatever we have at home?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh. Okay. And you try talking to the lady, the girl, whatever her name is, you?
No, on the days, ano?
Yeah, no, did you try to talk to her?
Yeah, I tried.
You did?
Yeah, I did.
What she said?
Then he said, I didn't.
She's interested, but right now I know they are celebrating, so she's kind of busy,
Yeah, but they cannot say, okay, yes, we'll talk tomorrow.
No.
I know
Kasi-
after January 2, she's gonna be keep season.
January 2, I don't care. Okay.
She said, going province because he going to school.
Oh.
And then she said, they have
Friends.
friends.
Yeah.
But I said, send the picture and contact
Correct.
them.
Correct.
And they didn't reply.
Okay, forget it then. No need anymore. No need anymore. You lose 500. That's it. Ah,
It's okay.
yeah, now I keep the 500 because I'm going to get it myself. Even okay, fair. She cannot get. That's what I told her. I know what to do. I live in this country. I live here. But I don't know good, simple. I don't. I don't. So that's why I'm going to you that maybe you know somebody good. But that's okay. It's not for me. It's for them. Whatever. I don't mean. Like I said, I already told them. It is what it is. Love is good. They're not here.
Didn't want.
Eh?
Didn't.
I know Jillian is not going to come because of your artist. I know that for sure. 100% sure. You understand? If I had asked her, but she's going to ask me if I'm with her, I'm going to say, yes, she's not going to come. I know that for sure. But I told her, you try.
Why you do that for sure?
Why I know that? I know she's not going to. So
Maybe become
But-
one.
no, right. But my point is, I'm not saying that Jillian. I did not say that Jillian. I only said ask Jillian if she has any friends. Because I know she's not going to come because,
Didn't is so wise.
why?
Yeah.
What does that mean?
Wise.
Smart.
Wise.
Yes, I know that. No. The reason I say I don't want to, no, I didn't say I don't want to date. The reason I say she's not going to come because I know, when you know each other, you're going to all pretend that we are, very nice, we are good girls, we are this, we are that. So I know she's not going to come. Yes, and so they all pretend, they all be very good. We go to church every Sunday. You understand my point? So that's what I said. Friends, just ask if you have any friends who is willing. No? Okay. Simple, yes,
I
no.
have my boyfriend, but only 19 years, but
So?
he don't know how to speak English.
So what? You don't need English for that. You can draw pictures. No, it's okay then. I mean, unless you think that they are okay for that, you need to say they want to make their money. If you think. If you think, then okay. If not, then that's fine. I'll just, What do you think? What do you think? No, what do you think? You want to try it? No. Okay then, forget it. Yeah, forget it. Yeah, no, it's okay. Let them assemble candies in their factory. Yeah, that's fine. Like I said, I'm going to go through somebody, they say, no, you're not, I just take them walking. I'm going to go, you sit, and I talk. Then I'll talk to you. Okay, let me go and buy 3 rice. You ready to eat now? You want me to go and buy rice now? Are you ready now? Or? No, you, not I don't know. You don't want to eat, not us. You already ate. We already ate, right? You guys.
Baka yung si Jai ni.
Hindi ko alam yun. Kung hindi siya makakapunta doon, sige, pero wala naman ako. Kaya daw magkasara ng store nila, ewan ko kung may anong oras.
Grabe.
Mga 8 or 9, wala nang makita ng
Grabe naman yung, ano yun, wala man lang, dapat maaga-aga yan sila pag sarado.
Lagi talaga, pag pwede lagi mo ulit. Mga taon sa tayo nakakasya. Nakakita siya ng iba. Lagi naman kayo nagkakatapit. Ay, ito tayo sa tubig.
If you're not ready, then I'm going to take my two girls then. I won't keep it. But if they want, then I just go and buy it. What do you think?
Not really yet. I want to cook this first. Then.
No, this them too. They don't want to go eat, not us.
Oh. Ay. Makanya ba kuno kamo gaya pa?
And you still need the thing, right?
Yeah.
You want me to go and buy them?
Not yet nga.
Oh, not yet. Why not yet? I don't want to come out there and in the evening. It's going to be crazy out there. With all the noise and all the noise. You don't really want to come out. Again, if these guys are everywhere, how much points can I give them?
Oh, nga. Oh.
What?
No, the ano, the sardine.
No, anything, yeah. You can check what we have. Otherwise, I can buy it. No problem. I buy it. Yeah, I can buy ulam.
Later we eat then
Exactly. That's what I said. Later we're going to get food. And we have coffee.
Yeah,
Yeah, not
You're right.
30 store, not 30 minutes walking from here. Okay? Ah, you liar. We come out and 30 stop right there.
I know, because you know, Kuya, on what I'm just drunk.
Really?
Just
You
like,
were, but you were walking okay.
yes.
You were walking. Okay,
I'm
that's
like
okay.
that. Even
Already,
even if I'm so much drunk, at least I'm like that.
your brain
But
doesn't
my
function.
brain
properly.
is to, ano,
It's okay, it's okay.
like Ate Mary is just drunk, but
Joy, I kidding, you know that, right? I joking with you, you know that. Yeah, you know that, but it's okay, so what? I mean, we said 30 minutes, you know, it was right there, but it took us time because we were buying stuff other people.
Oh, you're
You know?
not talking to this.
So you had your 3 guys came and I said, okay, I'll buy them beer, then we buy them chips.
15 minutes or something.
No, 5 minutes walk, what are you talking about? 15 minutes. In 15 minutes, in 15 minutes from here to Robinson, I go. Yes. You want to bet? I ask Ate. She takes jeepney to follow me, and I reach there before her. I ask this Ate right here. 15 minutes. I from here to over there. Sometimes 13 minutes. I walk back if I'm alone. If I'm alone, but these days I know walk straight because I feeding dogs and cats, and somebody going to stop me. Sir, hungry, Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, my birthday, your birthday, you know, too many obstacles in the way. Otherwise, if I walk straight, 15 minutes, I will be fine. Yes, 15.
Magreklamo kayo, pangalan ng kwarta. Hindi magreklamo. Ha? Naon mo sa
Wala kang naiwan yun eh. Kung naglalakad din.
Should I go buy rice? Because I want to sit down then. I'm going inside. So I'm going to take my tools off. No, okay, shall I go and buy rice? Because I'm going to sit down and take my tools off. Right? And then you cook whenever you have it. Okay. So right now I'm dressed. And then later if somebody tells me I'm going to go, oh my God, I don't want to go anywhere. It's very dangerous to go out for me. For me. Because too many, everywhere I know this, everybody, you know, Happy New Year, before Merry Christmas, now Happy New Year. And when New Year finish, hungry. I'm like, you know, I can understand.
Stop giving them
I
job.
can understand if only Merry
Spoil
Christmas I
them.
give you food, no problem. Every day Christmas for them.
Yeah.
If
Every
you-
day, listen.
If you know them, they keep asking you, the only thing to stop them is stop
Because
giving.
even now, there's at
You
least,
can give them once a while.
even now there's 8 or 9 boys downstairs, right? Joel, you saw that. At least 8 or 9 boys.
Yeah.
And when I, you know, then they come close to me, and then this little boy, you know, they have a habit of calling other people, other friends. They call it. This guy. So I told him, I said, you call everybody, I go in now. He said, I don't have money to give everybody. I said, so I just give them a little bit coin in the box, that's it. And they were like, oh, buy us food because I usually buy them from the bakery. I said, no, not right now. I'm busy. Yeah. Never ends with those people. And now I know a lot of Bajau also. Bajau, you know Bajau girls. I know them also now because I have to be friendly, you know, I have to be nice to people. If I know it, oh,
Yeah.
corner, you know, they start talking their language. I don't want problems. I don't want problem with anybody. You know, I mean, I live here. I walk here alone.
Yeah.
So I be very friendly. You know, I be nice to them. I'm like, oh, hello, hello, okay, I'll buy you. Okay, let me come back. Let me do whatever. That's it. Same like when we went to buy the beer, these three boys, they didn't ask for anything. When we went to buy beer, they didn't ask me anything. They didn't bother us. You know, those boys. I was like, let me give them so that, you know, they don't say anything. Remember? So I buy them Red Hot. I say, you want Red Hot? Oh, okay, yes, sir. Then I say, one chip? Oh, yes. I say, okay, then. Take what you
Well,
want.
when you go
And
there,
Enjoy place. You don't need to give them. You're not going
Yeah.
there every day.
No, she was with me. So. Because they're looking at me, they're asking me, you know, where you from? So I tell them. So I said, yeah, I come here. My girlfriend is here. So they're asking, who is she? I said, no, my girlfriend is over there. She's the sister of my girlfriend. You know, they start conversation with me because they want to know where I come from. Then they want to speak English with me. They're trying their English. Then this other kid over there, they say, why you speak English? He's asking me, he said, why you speak English? I said, what are you speaking? I said, you speaking English too?
Malabon? Ano? Bumili kayo? Kuya Hari?
Yeah. You know them?
Pero hindi naman siya.
Oh, you don't know them? Okay. No, they were okay. Nobody bothered us. Nobody said it, no. Nobody said anything
You're
to...
safe if you come there.
Huh?
Because you're safe.
Yeah.
Because
Nobody
that
said
place
anything.
is no.
Oh, yeah? Okay.
Ibang dami rin.
Because they have so many Bombays from there.
Oh, really?
Uh,
Oh, lending money.
lending money.
Dili.
Huh?
Daily.
Dili na.
Really?
Yeah,
Ah, so they're familiar with Indian faces, they know.
the face, the face.
Okay. But Joy, that's my nature. I like to be nice to people. I like to help people because, you know, like I said, I have it. I'm not rich, I'm not millionaire, but, you know, whatever I'm like, okay, I can help a little bit people. And I know I'm not going to see them every day because I don't want to give every day to somebody. No, I cannot do that. I don't want to
Have
do
you got to
that.
buy rice?
Listen, I'm having a very good conversation because she's not drunk today.
Okay.
That day she was drunk, she did, now she said the truth. She was drunk, that's why she says 30 minutes far. And he was right there. You just come out, you make a left and you make a right. That's it. Like not even 5 minutes walk. But that's okay. And even enjoy, even before we go there were two other sari shops in the way. You know where your brother lives? Right next to is the sari shop.
Yeah, but on
It's open. No, it was open because I was standing outside over there with your brother.
Yeah, but
Malapit sa bahay natin.
but they're closed on the morning and
Oh, morning. Okay.
yeah, but on the
Yeah, at that time it was open.
that time.
Because I was standing outside talking to your brother, but he was telling me this is his house, this is where he lives. And this downstairs is, I think, family of the girl, of his girlfriend, right? So I was standing right there and I see the sari shop, the old man was there. Yeah. People, you know, who own sari shop, they have no life. They have to be there like 24 hours. You understand my point? There's no
On
life.
West we go,
Huh?
we have 24 hours there.
Yeah,
On the we buy.
Yeah, okay.
Yes,
that's the thing. There's no life for these people because there's so much competition. They know. If they are work, I go somewhere else. And then once I go there, I'm gonna keep going there because you know you make a relationship with the owner. You understand? I'm like that. So I'm gonna talk, hello, how are you? They're gonna talk. You form a bond.
Yeah.
So they don't want to lose that.
But they, if they're closed, they're going.
Yeah. No, of course.
But if
No, of course, if something is closed, then we have to buy things if we have to buy things. Yeah. So, yeah. Okay, your Ate says, go and buy rice. Stop talking to my sister. Ate is upset, you know that? She gets upset sometimes. I don't know why.
Sometimes,
Oh, all the time. She gets
at
upset.
least you tell the truth sometimes. We all do. We all do dyan.
Come, let's go buy rice.
Excuse me.
Come,
I'm
again, I
still
miss
cooking.
you.
Ay nako, Jano, you want to cook? I can come with you.
Hello.
Then you will cook. Welcome mo.
Hello. Yeah. Why did I tell
You know, I'm doing life in your back.
Listen, wait. I told her, I said, why don't you tell Joy to come so that you can help her. She
I
said,
tell Joy,
no,
11
hold on.
o'clock,
She
she
said, no. She said, Joy coming 9 o'clock. I said, no, not at 9 o'clock. I was sleeping.
And then sleep also.
Yeah.
And I get up on
Filipino time, sir.
11:30.
Yes.
That's why I'm
Yes.
going there at
No,
10.
you were right. It's Filipino time because she said 9 o'clock. I said, no, I'm sleeping. I said, tell her 11 o'clock. She said, okay. And 11, she come 1 o'clock Philippine time. That's okay. Yeah, no, that's okay. Yeah, we don't have too many people coming, so that's okay. We have anybody else coming today? Not really. So that's okay.
And then si JJ sa baba, baka diretso na siya.
JJ is coming probably because she's planning to go to my sister Michelle, but it's far. She's the one who's gonna close the store. Like it,
Oh, they're gonna close
She's the one who holds.
tomorrow. Tomorrow, no open.
Yeah.
No,
So,
and also they don't have ride.
No light.
No, ride. Ride at the towers.
yeah.
What do you
Yeah.
mean?
No bus,
Why?
No,
Why?
Julia, right? Nobody
Really?
wants to. Yeah.
Because it's
Remember Priya? We
No,
ordered
it's
food.
not
We ordered food Priya before,
Oh.
and she couldn't get the lalamove and ride because and that time it's like 6 o'clock, and I didn't cook right because I was waiting.
So that was New Year's Eve or Christmas?
Yes.
Okay.
It's New Year's Eve.
I
Muslim.
see.
You know, my life is in your back.
I don't like this camera. We are like dog.
Thank
They
you.
also will they don't want.
I don't like. Even one you don't like. She has cameras everywhere. Phone. You know?
Thank you, Jana.
And you know I have a camera also, right? You know that. See, but this is my phone, your phone.
No, it's mine.
That is okay. Because I need my phone. I need to talk to Hilda. See, bye. Are we going now to buy? Let's finish one time, no? Yo.
You deal with this guy because he cannot allow. He's not allowed on
See,
iPad.
but the water is running. See, but this is my phone. I need my phone. Come on.
Wait lang, I just want to see my cooking.
You guys don't want to eat bread, right? You want rice. We have bread. Also. You want rice? Okay. They sell rice, so it's not a problem. Boil rice. They have.
They ano daw na, Chinese. Gawag ko sana siya ngayon. Lalapit pa na ko lang sa baba. Inara siya ng kain.
Sino?
Chinese mo ba? Tapos nagdala-dala yung plastic bag. Tapos may mga nagkalito kahaba na ano, mga kaputo.
Fireworks?
Tapos sabi ng ano kayo, no sir, natla. Kadaming sa tama.
O, bawal sa mga sa kuan, bawal sa pundo yan. Bawal ganing gasol.
Pinaiwan sa ano?
Binayawan sa baba.
Ano ba? Pinalapit.
Someone Chinese bring fireworks.
In where?
Here.
Oh, not allowed.
Yeah.
Bawal. Oh, not allowed. Yes.
No, mapaputok mo sana talaga
Ano?
siya kanina.
Not allowed.
Tawa siya eh.
Over here, you know that, Joy. Over here, no gasol.
Yeah,
Gasol. No gasol allowed. No firework allowed. Because you know gasol very dangerous. Because let's say over here, boom, next door fire. You understand? It is spread. That's why when we live in your kind of neighborhoods, the whole area gone.
Like the,
One person stupid
like
mistake,
the ano,
whole
the,
neighborhood gone. Yeah. So not allowed, you know. So people are, careless. You know, they drink red horse. They don't know what they're doing. Boom. So they're not allowed. Yeah, Bhavan. Also,
ano nasunod din, nagdasun sila sa ano.
so what did they do then, Joy? What did they do then? The ones they were bringing fireworks. What did they do?
They keep, they keep on the guard. Because the
Yeah.
guard say
Not allowed.
Not allowed.
Yeah. It's,
Why-
they don't allow because it's dangerous because you can hit somebody
Yeah.
because in this
Because
country
they have so many cars on their
exactly. No, not only that, there's so many in Manila. People live so close by to each other. You know, so if one mistake, the rocket that you fire hit somebody, some child or something. Yeah. Well, Mama is upset, you know that. That time you said okay. Now you know. Let it yeah, this side. I thought I know what it is. I thought this is towel holder, but I don't know what it is. You want? I don't know what it is. I'm gonna throw it up.
Oh, no.
This, you should work with Michelle.
No,
She
this
likes
is
to keep
like
garbage.
this.
It was like this. Think so? I thought this was a towel holder. You know, like this was
Oh, you did?
but it's not. I don't know what it is. I thought it was. What do you think it is? No, I thought it is enough. cannot be towel holder. We had a towel holder maybe a few days ago. No, it's not
May
necessary.
apil lang gawin yung mapilang gawin. Apil lang.
Bro,
Green na.
yeah.
Ito.
Joy. Pro. Right? Because we don't know what it is.
Ayaw ka isa din ha.
Ay, Lord,
Ang
paano ka
kanya
din
ka isa din sa tuwan.
Ito malaki.
Oo, yung green. Sa
Yung
kanya.
malaki kasama.
Oo, yung green. Ayan, yan.
Look, yeah, open mo. Take a look.
Yan.
And we have, you see that bottle? Yay! See the bottle there? Yay! We have it.
Bayo mo talaga na. Sugat yun eh.
Meron pa palang actually sa pwede na yan sa ano, sa dami mong concept na. Ha? Marami.
Nasa.
Di ba kalahati yung alam mo?
Kalahati.
Yung sa amin niya, hindi. Diba sa kalahati, di ba apat na tatlo? Apat na ikaw. Tatlo lang ito namin, ganoon para.
Duwadaan ito, dua ka.
Tulo ka ano ito eh.
Tuluga, aligaw, di ba?
Tulo ka layer
Tapos,
tapos
sa table na
ito nga,
kuwan.
dito nga sa big ko ko, ano pansit. So,
Okay, ang itong burot.
lagayan eh. Oo. Ito siguro. Ito, isibigan mo.
Ha? Ano ka na yung ano? Abi yan magreklamo ba? Abi yan pangaluan. Kasi yan sa babihatan nito. Ako di kinuha ka tagan. Kasi mag-radio mo ni Mal. Ay, yan ng mga UI, kakilala na daan. Tandaan na kumintin. Sige na maglaw ay, hindi ka din mga yun.
When you talk like this, I think there is World War III coming. You know? He talk like this, going to fight.
No.
He talk to mama also like this. Mama.
No, actually,
Oh my.
that's how our, pronounce, like,
No, Joy doesn't talk like that. Even Yum, I haven't heard her voice.
She talks.
Yeah, your Irish, your other sisters, yes.
You don't know Joy yet. If you talk, it stops like
Actually, if you want to find out about Joy, ask this gentleman. How is your asawa with you?
Wala ko sa paneho.
Asawa like to fight, right?
Ako na daan.
Asawa like to fight, knife.
Yes, sir.
Oh, I know. Yeah, I know.
But
I know.
not that much.
Before I used to think Joy good girl, you know, good girl.
Yes, sir.
When she lived here
She's
before,
good girl.
long time ago. But then, long time when she was here, no, when she was first, and then she fight with me. I said, what? This is Joy? What? This is the same Joy?
Naratol ka na yun.
This Joy, I bring her here from the front.
Give them a chance to do.
They are already not split.
No, Joy is not Joy. You know that, right? I am the one who brings it here. I bring her from the front. I spend money, I bring her here because Mama said, oh, Joy, no good, they no treat her nice over there, wherever. I said, okay, I bring Joy here. So before, she's innocent. Now she's fighting with me. Oh, I said,
Practice yan naman yan.
Na. Tiga na ito sa
Thank you. Yeah, thank you nyo ba?
Istorya yan.
Just dun mo.
let me send message to her. I don't know what she'll do, but yeah, but I'm okay with her. I'm fine with her. Yeah, forget those girls. I don't care even if I don't get anything. I don't beg anyone.
Masip pangalan mo. hapon.
Kung ang magyara yan, magyara yan ha, ito gamay ito, magyara. Balik,
Ikos namin yung tunga ni, ikos lang ang tunga na tapos tunga ko.
Yung galing po.
Inang lang pa siya kabambi ng baka ay ininiwa. Tama na ito.
Pirang kilo din doon eh.
600 ka pin.
Sala rin na nakalungan.
Kayo.
Hey, maybe they need fan. You want to put the fan this side? No, we have fan. No, the fan is there. I said can put.
Wala, ibigay ko lang.
Okay, okay. Because I know she doesn't care for the fan. She don't mind. Yeah, no, it's fine. Oh, so sad. Joy lost 500. Oh.
It's hard to, ano, it's hard to,
No, yes. No, you know, girls like this, I know what it is. I told my friend, I said, these girls, I know what they do. They understand, I know what they do. But they're all going to pretend, oh, I am very good girl. I don't do like this. They understand? I'm, I go to church, I have this, I have boyfriend. You know, all kinds of stories they're going to give you. But they need money, right? They're going to ask money in a different way. Oh, I need money for my, my son or my daughter. I'm like, go to the father. Why are you bothering me? Go to the father. So I know they're going to say like this. Yeah. I say, where is the papa? And they're always going to say, Papa died. Papa died. I say, why? You killed the papa? They all lie. Oh, Papa died.
wala, just talk positive way.
See that? Okay, my girl. You think only your girlfriend like this? My girlfriend also ready fighting all the time. No problem.
No, it's not that.
Oh.
I said, like good way.
No, I'm just okay. I'm just telling you the truth. I know you don't want to hear that, but that's
Yeah,
the
I
truth.
know that's the truth, but
You don't want to hear that. Like I
now
said,
it's
I can
like-
go out and I can pick up a girl right away. But I'm looking for something decent. We cannot even talk anymore. Your life is going to make us dead. Her life is going to make us dead, right? We cannot talk. I need a talk, and I don't need to drink for that. Now, I'm just saying the truth. That's how they are. They're all going to pretend. And then they all need money. Then, oh, sir, I need help. Yeah, right.
Yeah. Sino?
Yan. Tata. Huwag ka din eh.
Nagalit na namin sa tata.
Kawala mo yung magkadugo. Kawala ko rin mag-room mo. Namang kawala mo kasi nakadugo. Bigyan.
Ano,
Nanay, matata ba? Nasa. Eh, nanay. As ka pala yung tawag. Kaya naman bitan mo ng buwan. Pero, sunod sa bahay yung maday ko kasi.
Oh my God. She
Huwag
said no.
magdali.
Mila said no.
Huwag maday ko lang.
She don't want to be no. Mila said no. Very hard to go. Very good.
Pero wala kang kinakain.
Oh la la, my search is no good after again. If I TikTok survey, because they want to know, did they do a good job in defending your money? Next way to get a survey.
just, kasi you need to answer.
Why? Yes, yeah. You got the money back, so, right?
Oh, about the money? Yeah, I get
Parang yun lang. Ang malaki pa niya.
Ala, hindi lang. I want
No,
to
you
watch.
keep. I'm doing that shit. Joy, I'm gonna buy it now, okay? But I'm not coming right away because I want to talk to this lady.
Nagkawa ka na mahimik ka. Ito umana ng kanan.
Kaya rin mo ka na kung ang ganun ko ng sabi ko ito umana.
Ha?
Ito umana ka na.
Ang gamay ko, sumbol na rin kayo. Amati. May bak, kami mas tuyo na ang.
Okay.
Di ba, pero rin ka tulad
Nailaban
niya.
nila, yun na kung sino mga kasi ng mga school kayo. Ha?
Pero rin ka tulad niya.
Ito ay magpuputso ka pin. Mag-maybe ka sa gusto ni
Huwag diyan makakuha ng Tagalog.
Bako tuloy.
Hindi na sa kasali ko ng mga kuwan.
Ikaw yung mga common lang ng mga Tagalog.
Basic lang.
Kuhaan mo kasi maganda, simplihan, kulang pera, bisanis, malamig, yung mga basic lang ng mga Tagalog. Pero mag-stay yan. Pero makasabot ito. Makasabot ito ng kamuyan ko ano. Siswis, makasabot niya.
Ang ganda bali yung
Kami natin kasi history na isa. Ano ko yan? No, lang.
lang ko naman.
Di ba lang kakto rin eh?
Kuha ah.
Kaya ng chorus. Mga yan.
Eh, sabi mo.
Ang dami nga yun. No?
Nakakatulong ito ng malaki para magpalasa ito sa
Hindi, iniwalay ka na ito.
Opening ka muna ng lugar na lang doon na kayo, nagahan na.
Ako, kumawag pa lamang sa kalita na rin, kasi di nga na ito lamang, ikaw.
Ayun sabihin ka namin sa mamutan nilang tulong ako sa biyahe sa atin.
Dati na ka namin. Ang sa kalayo, ang dama ka namin di ba, ka asaw.
Mas madali-dali sa atin. Kasi pag nagilante ka,
Oo, pag LRT.
Bilis
Okay,
ng
ay.
biyahe.
Madali ka to. Awari nga to, yung RT ko na yun.
Marte, ang layo nun.
Kuan, pero
Sasakay ka pa ng jeep. Nung nagpunta kami ni Rex, di ba nagilante kami? Kalimutan doon ako, sabi ng buha ba niya.
hindi, kung makatuloy na doon, kung makatuloy na doon, ipadala ko lamang anak ko kuan. Diretso na ako.
Yung mga kaya ang biyahe. Tanghali ka mabiyahe. Hindi mo kaya.
Hindi kaya.
Hindi kaya ang biyahe. Tanghali.
Makakot, di ako na. Diretso na ako.
Hindi na ka makaabot sa trabaho.
Hindi.
So, ikaw ang kan mo ka diyan sa kyanan kasi alam mo ang biyahe.
Kaya nga dapat mga parang pinahiyo. Kung ako na,
Ilang tayo mag-work.
Hindi ako nasa. Ito na kaya, ito kami ato ng tungay doon. Teka, nagpanak ko. Kaya, ikilos na ako. Kalimutan ko. Hindi,
Kanaan mo, nagtuutangan sa katong apps na ako. Karito kami utang na. Karito.
Purposing ko.
Utang na din.
Ay, basta hindi daw ito may ngawan ko. Mawalan ko ba dito?
Pero ang semana.
Kay, ikaw yan na di mo baydan yan, makanin sa, makanin nga yan sa kuhan. Kaya sa yan ang lugar ko. Tapos, mapiktuhan ang food ko ng mga crystals. Naman niya, gatag si Van, kay goods ang mga crystals ko. Tinga, esak gani ako, kaya gitisiyan ko sa lamang. Kanang tuwaitan na bala ko ito na mag-utang. Sus, pag-apply ko, i-up ko ba sa itong 45 ko? kadali-dali kayo ng 45, doon mas tataas-taas yan, ako magkuhan ako. Tapos, pwede ko sabihan pataaso ng, kanakas ang pwede ko 6 months kasi naman, bali-bali ang monthly ko. Awit tag 4 mil ang buwan, pero mabot kayo ng 3 years bagad.
Amang natulog sa Manila.
3 years, parang nagulog ko lang ng dito.
Oo. Depende sa kuan, sa ratio ng kuan mo.
Ratio mo.
Kung bali-bali kayo. Nawasi ko siya. Doon, matang ka ng kuhan doon.
Tagalong tuwakan mo.
Di-block gani ako ng trabaho.
Ano sa nilo? Pero naman ko mo.
Kung saan nang taon naman i-block, di ako na siya ang block kung kay Wansa. Sa'yo i-block ko na ang na. Ipata na ba ni Abi ng Santala sa Binson?
Bukan makikita ko lang yung isip, balas ko sa ilang ka. Balas ko sa trabaho.
Mataba ka diyan da.
Wala, ato na ako so. Balas ko na kaya.
Hawang mo so.
Mayroon sa nga namin.
Ay gapanap ka na kaila ko na gapanap ng katabang. Rito ko talaga yan, pero unang ko nila makabas na ko na ako masipgan. Kay India na ba ito yan, kay ila ko, kumari ko yan. Kasi mama, ano ba ito pinasok mo dito? Po, cellphone na lang. Kaya mo ganyan, po cellphone, po pestoya. Wala ka na problema kung mag-cellphone ka, basta itmutang sa lugar.
Ang may mag-abroad dyan, dahil. Ito nang kakadit.
Ay, sunan di ka sa muna, ang pakasinakan mo. Kaping libo. Yan eh. Ay, bayad ang kunin ka ng kilikira. Gaya ba? Bayad ako isang duha. Ang mga siguro mabuti ng kaping libo, mga 1.8 ni kaping eh. Ay, awan. Kaya ba? Magpakas ito lang ako ng sobra. Ay, di, kanak lang sinila. Basta na.
Pwede, makmam ko. Nagpasilaan naman. Ang mga pwede namin doon mga doon na unang patong ng January. Ito Pasko. Ikaduha. Yung lumagong tuig.
Kaya kakwad, makasulyo ko sa kanong January. Actually, nakalagay sa gawa pa.
Doon lang ko nga, matawag ako nga. Pagtawag ko ay sa Quailon. Nung kuha nito, bawasay ko na ako tama na hanin sa kadyahan eh. Doon pagtawag ko ako pagkawang sa kumalang 1.5. Nagyaya mga iso. Mga indikat 100. Doon siya ulit sa gasin ng Gcash. Wala ko magtawag ko bali ng pagka 1.95 ba? Ang art daw. Wala ko magtawag na ka, lari mo kwarta mo, umitan mo na. Ako yung mama ko.
Si mama kayo naman sa maglaway sa magtataka na ng kwarta kay sila po
Wala ko
nila.
nga yung istorya ni Papa.
Ha?
Nagatugan si Papa.
Oo na.
Pagtawag namin yung nani. Ito si mama mo. Ayun lang, bahing ko. Lang ko ayaw ah. Sabi mama, kaya palito na ng kuwanaan. Ano ang masarap.
Next time, tagang ko si Kondo lamang. Si Loloy. Ay, Lodoy. Tagang ko, Doy, at ka papa doon.
Ito din yung mga sa pilas na. Sige hapon, kaya ito aso kaya ako mama.
Waon.
Waon.
Sige hapon.
Ang mayan.
Kaya ito pa ng tulo ng muli sa kami ng Mayo. Buta, lagi panghatag na to. Parang babit ang tanan nila pa sa.
Na,
Ang kuha ko siya kasi mama na dito sa kanyang bangkay. Mga ito, sulit ang mga balikinig, ikiswila sita.
di, mabalik, makanto ko ng mayo, tapos mabalik ka ng Di ka yung gastos ka sa kanong pamasahe ang tanan.
Hindi, kay sa ko sa nagkagal ko para sila ng libre naman. Imbutasa.
Naka doon pa kanto kayo kawisto, kadi.
Kung niya ka-apil tayo din, apil gawin eh.
Ano
Ang kaya
pa,
hindi ko eh.
Di mo rin ha? Pero pwede, sabi si Oliva may tayo ba? Ano, yung paano?
Hindi